Want to build a Global Billionaires Wealth dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our billionaire dataset. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing the data, understanding relationships between wealth, age, industry, and geography. It's identifying the most meaningful insights and determining the best visualizations to tell this story. The AI is creating multiple chart types, examining correlations between net worth and age, breaking down wealth by industry and country, and even analyzing gender distributions. It's building interactive tables alongside dynamic visualizations, all automatically configured for maximum impact. Our Global Billionaires Wealth dashboard is complete with 6 stunning charts and 2 comprehensive tables covering industry breakdowns, geographic wealth distribution, age correlations, and gender analytics. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's enter presentation mode for that professional boardroom feel. This full-screen view removes all editing tools, creating a clean, distraction-free experience perfect for client presentations or executive meetings. The dashboard maintains full interactivity while delivering maximum visual impact. We exit presentation mode and explore the interactive features as we scroll through our comprehensive analysis. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.